Did you know that hippos can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes? That's right. Welcome to the world of the hippopotamus, one of the biggest, boldest, and most fascinating animals in Africa. Let's dive into the rivers and grasslands to learn all about these mighty river giants. Hippos, short for hippopotamus, come from the Greek words meaning river horse. But don't be fooled, they're not horses at all. Hippos are more closely related to whales and dolphins than to any land animal. They may look chubby and slow, but wait till you see them run. An adult hippo can weigh over 3,000 pounds. That's as much as a car, and can still outrun a human over short distances. Hippos spend most of their day in water. Why? Because their giant bodies can get too hot under the African sun. The water keeps them cool and safe. They can even sleep underwater. Their bodies automatically rise for a breath without waking up. Now that's a superpower. Meet the hippo family. Hippos love to live in groups called pods, usually made up of 10 to 30 hippos, and in every pod there's a boss, a big, strong male who watches over everyone. Baby hippos are called calves. They weigh about 50 pounds at birth and can even nurse underwater. Isn't that amazing? Mother hippos are very protective. They keep their babies close and teach them everything, from swimming to socializing. Hippos may not speak like we do, but they sure have a lot to say. They grunt, wheeze, honk, and even laugh. Sounds that can travel through both air and water at the same time. Some hippos even communicate underwater, like secret underwater walkie-talkies. Look at that yawn. It might look sleepy, but that's actually a warning. Hippos are one of the strongest animals in the world. Their giant mouths can open up to 150 degrees, and their teeth can grow over a foot long. That's bigger than a ruler. Even though hippos eat plants, they are very territorial and can be dangerous when threatened. But don't worry, if you give them space, they're calm and peaceful. Hippos play a big role in nature. Their poop helps feed tiny river life, and their bodies create safe paths in the river for fish and frogs. Even birds love them. Some ride on their backs, picking off insects. It's teamwork in the wild. But not everything is safe for hippos. Their homes are shrinking because of pollution and drought. Some people even hurt them for their teeth. That's why it's important to protect rivers and animals like the hippo. When we care for the planet, we help keep these amazing creatures safe. From their wiggly ears and underwater naps to their giant splashes and grassy snacks, hippos are full of wild wonder. Next time you see a calm river, imagine a hippo swimming just beneath the surface, watching with curious eyes. Thanks for joining us on this river adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more animal stories from around the world. See you next time.